Today I'll show you how to pick a best electric kettle in very easy steps. Just scroll down the website. You'll come across some contents. Basically, there are three contents in which the site has been divided. The first one is the major content where we'll be picking the kettle of our choice. Second is the security features to look for in the electric kettles, and third is the description of the factors which has been taken into account while deciding the best buys of the electric kettles. So without any further ado, let's start. I'll click on the picking the right kettle of your choice because this is the major section where we'll get to know what kettle we want. There are certain guidelines which has been mentioned. You can come down and click on the explore the best kettles for you. So this page will land up on our first factors on which the electric kettles are being divided. So first factor is the capacity. In India, you'll see kettles come in four major capacities. These are ranges from 500 to 750 ml. Then it comes on one liter. Again, it comes on 1.2 to 5 liters, and then 1.7 to 2 liters. Beyond 2 liters, it goes into a capacity of commercial segment. So uh, let me show you how to take a best kettle out of the complete lot. So if my requirement is a triple kettle which is comes under 500 to 750 ml, I'll click on this. It will take me to another factor, which is the material of the kettle. So the material is stainless steel, plastic or silicone. Stainless steel and plastic you must be aware of, but silicone is a new entrant in the market, and you may be curious to find what kettle is this. So just click on it. It will take you to the silicone kettles. Silicone kettles are foldable kettles. It are travel kettles, and they usually don't come with any warranty. So, and it will be good for people who love experimenting because the volumes are very low. So after each category, we have given you a take me to the last option again option, and you can click over here, or you can click on the home if you want to go to the capacity section again and restart the entire search process. So I'll go to take me to the last option again. It'll take me to the material of the kettle. So I've seen what silicone kettles are. Now I'll try to buy one stainless steel kettle. It'll take me to the next factor which says the design of the SS kettle. It may be a wide mouth kettle or a mid wide mouth kettles. So I'll prefer wide mouth. It'll take me to the next uh, section which says about the warranties of the wide mouth SS kettles. In this case, we have 2 years or 1 year capacity warranty. Sorry, the higher the warranty, it is very good for a customer because it's an electric appliance and it may go wrong anytime. So I'll go for a 2 years warranty. The page will land on this electric travel kettle of an Alsa. This is a cute kettle. So I'll try to make a purchase. It'll take you to the Amazon website, and now I'll go back to my website and see what Russell Helps is trying to give. I click on the Russell Helps again, and there's yet another kettle in this segment, and there's a Bajaj electric kettle, and I've opened all the three. Now I'll try to compare the price of this. So as you see, there is a difference in the price, and uh, electric kettles come along with these two cups for the convenience of the travelers. So Russell House also have these cups, but Russell House kettle is a bit higher on a higher side. Bajaj doesn't have those cups, but it's still on a higher side. So this option I find a good one. It's Amazon choice also. So let's go back and see what else we can do with this. So if I go to the home page again, it'll take me to the capacity segment, and from here if I go to say 1.7 to 2 liters, and if I go to uh, stainless steel kettle with narrow mouth, it can, and 2 years warranty, it'll take me to a kettle or get another kettle from Inalsa, beautiful made kettle barista. Let us see what this kettle is, because the design is unique, and it has again landed me on our Amazon page. You can go and buy from here and see what this kettle has to say. So you can go and pick one best kettle based on the factors you like. Below the section is the kind of kettles which you can get from this website. Like these are the regular shape kettles. Maybe the material of the kettles are different. Like some comes in glass, others come in plastic or in stainless steel. Then there is a bell dome shape, which again is a barista kettle. We also have kettles in pyramid shapes. Now, next section is the security features which you should look for. Though most of them are there in each and every branded kettles, but still, for your knowledge, you should read all these things. Below this is the detailed description of the factors. So this is how you can scroll like this also, but in this you have to go one by one. So happy buying, and all the best. Thank you so much.
Searching for support for your appliances? Then contact our efficient and expert team to find out more about our various services created to meet your exact needs. Do you want spares for your appliances that are not working? Do you require a demo or support to repair your appliances? Are you confused about your new purchase decision? Are you looking for some branded seconds product? Or do you want to sell your old appliance? All our professionals have tons of experience, which guarantees you'll get only the very best solution to your queries. We are waiting to hear from you, and to answer any questions you may have on how we can best serve your needs. Let us prove our devotion to you as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and commitment. Your satisfaction is our only concern. Contact us right now, and let us show you all of the solutions we have for you to satisfy